Okay, this is the Samsung fridge. Okay, one of the fan connector pin is broken. So what I did is because the plug in here is really stuck inside, so I cannot remove the back and yeah. So the only way I can do is remove the whole plug. So what I did is I use an X-Acto knife just to cut it, cut it as little, like a bigger square, so the whole connector can come out. So maybe a little hard to cut this piece. So after when I put the X-Acto knife like this, and then use a hammer to bang in the knife, so it cut a little easier. Then the plug will come out. So when the plug come out, okay, there's a three wires in the back, but it's really short. It's a really short wire, so I cut the wire in the back. So what I find is, let me see. Okay, this is the connector. I like an extend connector. This is like the older computer power supply connector. I just cut one piece of connector. One's male, one's male, one's female. So I kind of solder those three wires inside just to extend those wires, so it can connect to this plug here. Okay, so pretty much the one from inside, the black wire, there's two gray wire actually. It's a little hard to see right now because I already soldered that. It's two gray wire going to the black, the red wire. I think the inside one is like the orange color, but it's going to the red wire here, and then the white wire I connected the yellow. So because this color has come with this connector. So all I did is solder change the fan connector, cut the fan connector, and connect it to the female side. This is the male side, and then so just then plug it together, and then it works. Okay. So this is the panel. So this is the panel for the back panel. When you remove the fan connector, it goes in here. This is the female side. So I kind of cut the original connector and then solder those wire together. So basically, it's the black go to black, red go to red, the white go to yellow. So once you're matching the other side, and once you plug it in, then it works.